Discover elegant living in this 4-bedroom, 5.5 bath home nestled on a quiet cul-de-sac in Saginaw Township. The only home to line the Saginaw Country Club. This elegant floor plan features a dramatic staircase with vaulted ceilings and a custom architectural design which creates an open and airy atmosphere from the moment you walk in. Featuring almost 5,600 square per foot of living space with an additional 2,341 finished in the lower level makes the perfect place for entertaining family and friends. The gourmet kitchen includes high-end appliances, breakfast bar, center island, Corian countertops and whitewashed cabinetry. This home was thoughtfully designed with a 24 by 20 great room with stone fireplace, spiral staircase, vaulted ceilings and exposed beams that leads to a sunroom with wall of windows to view the golf course. The master suite is located on the second floor and offers